we don't get to savor the all-new 2018 Jeep Wrangler until sometime in November. Today at SEMA, however, we get to sample some of the more than 200 Jeep performance parts that Mopar designed for America's off-road mascot. Among the totally new offerings are a roof rack and a stowable tailgate table. The roof rack can accommodate the standard carriers, such as those for skis, snowboards, and bicycles. The tailgate table flips down from the rear hatch, creating a workspace complete with a beverage holder. Urbanites can get down with the mesh and solid bikini tops, a cargo tray that extends to the back seat and doubles the surface area, logoed door sills, and new fuel doors. Redesigned tire covers flash new graphics and incorporate an aperture for the backup camera. When distant GPS points require low-range four-wheeling, redeveloped goodies include 17-inch beadlock aluminum wheels, a 2-inch lift kit that permits 37-inch tires when paired with high-top fender flares, thicker, wider rock rails coated with ram bedliner material, and hard-secured grab handles. 5-inch LEDs throwing 4080 lumens and 7-inch LEDs throwing 8000 lumens work with a new mount kit to attach to windshield, winch guard, or frame rails. An auxiliary switch bank with a dedicated power distribution center means convenient access to controls for auxiliaries like those lights and the Mopar Warn winch. A screen protector keeps dust and debris from damaging the Uconnect screen. When the inevitable boo-boo happens, grab for help from the improved emergency first aid kit and roadside assistance kit. Mopar says the entire range of Jeep performance products will be available at dealerships as soon as the Wrangler goes on sale.